Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Citizen Quartz watch. As you can see, we have a very luxury 90s piece, a very elegant Citizen Quartz watch with the date complication here at 3 o'clock. Now when you want to set the time and date on your Quartz watch, on your Citizen watch, first you want to set the date and then you want to set the time. And when you set the date, you want to set the date 1 day prior to the actual date that you want to set. So let's say that I want to make it the 15th of January, of May, and so on. I'm going to set the date on the 14th. Then I'm going to pull the crown to the last position, and I'm going to go past 12 o'clock manually until the date changes to the 15th. And then I'm going to know that I am AM. I'm going to show you how to do that. So we are going to pull the crown to the first position in order to set the date. So you are going to pull the crown only halfway, and then we are going to rotate in one direction in order to adjust the date. As you can see, now we are on the 13th, and now I'm going to make it the 14th, just like that. So as I mentioned, my end goal is to make it the 15th, but I'm going to leave it 1 day prior. Then I'm going to pull the crown all the way, so to the last position where you would actually set the time. As you can see, the seconds hand stopped. That means that we have a movement with hacking. Now I'm going to go past 12 o'clock manually, as you can see right here. Now the date did not change. This means that I need to go past 12 o'clock once again until it changes to the 15th. So I'm going to show you that as well. So I'm going to go past 12, and now we have the 15th, and now I know that I am on the 15th and it is AM. So if I want to make it, let's say 6 in the morning, I'm going to make it 6, and if I push the crown all the way, I'm going to know that I am on the 15th and it is 6 AM, so 6 in the morning. If I want to make it PM, I'm going to go past 12 o'clock once again, and you are going to see that the date does not change because now we are PM. So that is why you want to set the date 1 day prior, so that you know whether you are AM or PM on the exact day that you want to set. And now I'm going to make it 6 PM. If I wanted to leave it like that, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in, and now I know that it is 6 PM on the 15th. And that is how you set the time and date on your Citizen Quartz watch. Now if you enjoy this type of content, guys, these watch tutorials, and if you want to watch other tutorials about watches, vintage watches, watch reviews, and watch tutorials, I would definitely recommend that you subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you found value from this video, make sure to give the thumbs up, subscribe once again, guys, because it helps a lot, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.